On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made the history by stepping onto the lunar surface. But after even all this time, some people think that was a great hoax. So we debunk this theory in this video. Many people love to point out that you can't see stars in Apollo images. Think about a sunny day here on Earth. Can you see the stars? Don't. Because sunlight is too bright. Right? So the moon landing happened to the brighter side of moon, where the sunlight is just intense, which washes out all the faint stars. Plus, the camera setup they use to capture only bright surfaces, not the dim one. So that's why we have no star in Apollo images. Now let's discuss the American flag. Many people say it seems it fluttering in the wind, which seems odd because there is no atmosphere on the moon. Look at this clip of the flag waving here on Earth. See how it flaps and moves the wind. This one from the moon. It might look like it's waving, but actually it has horizontal pole at the top to keep it spread out. So while it seems like it's fluttering, it really just hanging there. Plus, because of moon low gravity, the flag keeps some of its fold. The biggest evidence we have from the moon is moon rocks. So some skeptics say these could be fake or the earth rock. The Apollo astronauts brought back 382 kg of lunar rocks and soil. But here the cool part. These moon rocks have been studied by scientists all over the world, including researchers from America's rival countries. If these rocks were fake, don't you think someone would have pointed it out by now? Some people say we didn't have enough technology or fuel back in 60s to make it moon, which they think it is impossible. When the Apollo mission were carrying out, they didn't just blast off and go to the moon. They used Earth gravity to go to the moon, and they did the same when they coming back to the Earth. We are talking about thousands hours of video footages and thousands of images, 8,400, which is a massive material to fabricate. And during space race, USS are watching very closely everything. If there is a single hint of its fabrication and hoax, USSR will be the first to find it out. Moon landing was the greatest achievement in human history.